Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Behind me is a 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser 79 Series, and it's in one of our performance centres for a custom dyno tune, on-car chemical soot clean, and upgraded heavy-duty clutch. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel. Let's get in the workshop and carry out the pre-tune inspection to ensure that it's all in good order. Well guys, the inspection on the 79's been done. We've also fitted the upgraded heavy-duty clutch. We need to do this to all 70 series cruisers. The standard clutch just can't hold the additional torque that we do achieve from the tune. So the guys have finished tuning the 79. I want to talk you through the results of this vehicle. I also want to make mention it's got a fair bit of weight. On the back of this is a Norwell canopy, and it also does tie around excavators also behind the 79. So you've got to take this all into consideration, and we have done with the custom tune. Well, it's no surprise that a 70 series is really underwhelming from factory standard, but after you tune it, it makes this car absolutely completely different. So let's take a look at the numbers. In standard form, it ran up 105 kilowatts and 302 newton meters of torque. After we completed the custom dyno tune, taking into consideration what it's been used for, it went to 134 kilowatts of power and 547 newton meters of torque. Now this is a 28% gain in peak power, but when you're towing, it's all about torque, and this car demonstrated over 80% gain in peak torque. Well guys, another 70 series custom dyno tuned at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. This one, DPF model, everything's intact, standard injectors, standard turbo, and delivered over 80% gain in torque. This owner of this vehicle tows a lot, and that's a key, torque for when you're towing. So guys, if you want to improve the performance of your 70 series or your common rail diesel vehicle, give us a call, drop into one of our performance centres, Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. We also have a dealer network all around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.